Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 25 CCC Aura 2764. Case of style, the state of Texas versus Rachel E. West. Miss West, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Miss West, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Miss West, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Miss West?
I'm alive and I'm blessed.
Yes, you couldn't be better than being alive and blessed. Now, Miss West, are you representing your case by your attorney Marvel Provo? Miss Provo, how are you doing?
Fine.
And Miss Provo, do you waive a record in Miss West's case?
We do.
State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. And again, Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Your Honor, thank you.
You're welcome. Miss West, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information.
Mm-hmm.
This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Rachel E. West, on or about October 2nd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft of property that had a value greater than or equal to $100, but less than $750. Ms. West, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Correct.
Ms. West, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Ms. West, this document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials R or W on a line next to a box that's checked nolo contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
It's my signature. Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Ms. West, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Ms. West, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I've just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. West, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1 into evidence?
So tender, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Provo, you've advised and counseled Ms. West. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? And Ms. West, your attorney, Ms. Provo, has advised and counseled you Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. West, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
What is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Your Honor. It would be 15 days in the county jail, time served, time actually served, and not a cost to be taxed and retired.
Thanks. Ms. West, the state is offering that you serve 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you have already served 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. West, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. West, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. West, if you do not have anything else holding you in jail, you should be getting out of jail today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Ms. West, you will stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. And Ms. Provo, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Mr. Williams, you're free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket on today's date of February 2nd, 2026 in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.
And that's here.